Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So here is a simple and very quick, easy to do nail art tutorial for cherry nails as you see in the thumbnail. So I hope if it is easy for you and you like this video, and please watch till end and enjoy this. You know guys, what you need to do is subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and if you are liking this video, go ahead and click that like button and comment down below next nail what I have to post. Okay, if you have any kind of like recommendations or any viral nail in your mind, please DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is in the bio. Go ahead, check that out and follow me there as well. Thank you so much guys for your love and support, and this nail art dedicated to all my girlies. Go ahead and watch it. Oh, here you are till now in this video. That means you're liking this one. So please click the like button and comment down below about this video. Thank you so much for your time and patience to see this video. Bye guys. Stay happy and healthy always. Ta-da!